Okay. So here we are on Numbercross, another Elite Chi exclusive puzzle app. As you can see on our free tool, keyword tool, Numbercross is an actual puzzle. It gets searches online. There's a lot of demand for this. Okay, and this is a perfect puzzle type that can complement any logic puzzles collection book that you might be creating, anything like that, okay? Or a standalone, by all means, may create a standalone. Now, again, pages, bulk, and stories. Stories in Elite Chi. I have a separate module on how to create your Elite Chi activity books using story mode. Pages gives you, again, the power to customize each individual page, and bulk is what I love because that's where you can create a book with a click of a button. Same thing with story mode. I love bulk and story because, well, you can create a book with a click of a button. Story mode with the, again, cohesive story, consistent characters. And this, for example, whatever puzzle type you're on, it'll incorporate it into the activity book. Okay, so again, the controls are the same regardless. Okay, let's go to bulk. Okay, because we want to create one big one, right? One great big book. So again, number cross is like word. It's like crosswords, but with numbers. Okay, logic based. And let's create a big old book here. I'm gonna go with a grid of 14 by 14. Okay, like that. And I want a quantity, and of course, page number. Give me a little page number there. If you want to add instructional, you can. Instructions, you can add that as well. And I want, I don't know, let's go with 40 and add the queue. And yes, overwrite anything and generate all 40. And there we go. We have a book of 40. Simple as that. Um, Again, export. Let me show what it looks like. Single PDF. It takes a while to download because it's a big old book of 40 pages. Okay. And of course, solutions are in the back. So we have the book as is, and in the back, we have the solutions, as you can see. Okay, very good. I'll see you in the next video.